Alright guys, so this is the day 4 video. This is Thursday. Remember, tomorrow you are testing. Guys, I mean, please try your best on here. Really, what you see here, you're going to have on your free response for the test. So I hope you've seen the videos, especially ahead of time. And this right here, guys, this is going to be the last little bit. Not difficult, but, well, at least if you understood yesterday, it's not difficult. But let's get through it. Again, here's the video, and I need you to do the review. Specifically, I need these questions from the review to be done. So the 1 through 4, pretty much the whole page is what we're covering today. So, okay, so here, this is really what you're gonna start to see, guys. Find the limit of this for this using the definition of a derivative for this equation. So this is all one big equation. Really pay attention to what they're asking for. So right here is 1, right? So this shouldn't be here. You can scratch that out. At 1, so here, just pay attention here, guys. I mean, 1, is that less than 2 or is it greater than 2? It's less than 2, right? So this is the equation I'm using for f1, f prime 1. Okay, so that's how you decide from these two parts of the equation which one it is. So look at the number there. If it's f prime 1, well, then start using this one. Okay, so I'm going to do first f prime x, which is the limit as h approaches 0 of, let's do the equation, negative 2, and then x plus h plus 5. Well, I should write the definition up here. Okay. And then minus f of x, which is negative 2x plus 5. Okay. So, I'm sorry. So now I distribute negative 2x plus h plus 5. These two negatives cancel when I distribute, so plus 2x minus 5 all divided by h. This cancels with this. This cancels with this. So h over h, which these cancel, so okay. So there's no h for me to plug in for 0, so f prime of x is just equal to 1. And since I want to know f prime of 1, well, again, guys, I don't have any x to plug in, so it's just 1. Okay, so that's what it is. It's the same thing from yesterday, just decide which one of these two it needs to be. So for this one here, again, f prime of 1, so is positive 1 less than negative 1? No, so this is not the one I'm going with. Is positive 1 greater than 2? No, so this is not the one I want. This is the equation I'm going to work with. So I'm going to work through this, guys. In the end, I'll go ahead and just pick it up so that y'all can see what the answer is. But just bear with me here. Oops, not too. Okay, so remember from yesterday, x plus h squared was equal to this right here. X squared plus 2xh. Oops, plus h squared. I'm going to go ahead and distribute this right now. So negative 2x squared, positive 1. And now I distribute this with all three of them. Sorry I'm smearing this so much, guys. I know this is pretty ugly. That makes it's h. So the 2x squares cancel, the negative 1's cancel, and the positive 1. So I'm left with 4xh plus 2h squared over h. I'm going to factor out an h. And this one I do have an h to plug in. Oops, an h to plug into 0. So okay, so it's equal to 4x. So this is my f prime x. But what I'm looking for is f prime 1. So it's equal to 4. Okay. So again, guys, this is the same from yesterday. It's just, can you choose which one of these to go through? So pay attention to these, because I go through this one. Ask me your questions on this. This is what's going to be on the test for tomorrow. So your free response. And really, I think there's only one. So we're moving forward. Continuity now, guys. This one's way, way easier. If I see here, guys, they're always going to have you at x is equal to where this break is at. So here, you see how I have an equation for when I am less than 2 and for when I'm greater than 2. So basic thing is that it's continuous if when I plug in a 2, you don't have to do the derivative part. When you plug in the 2 straight into this equation on both of them, is it equal to the same number? So here, negative 2 times 2 plus 5. So negative 4 plus 5, which is equal to, oops, I can't math right now. Negative 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. So when it's less than 2, so when my x is less than 2, this is my y value. When it is greater than 2, again, so I'm going to do this again, but now with the greater than 2 equation, this one right here. I see that they equal the same thing. So because they equal the same thing, guys, this is continuous. Okay, and that should make sense because like it's just going through. At least at that point, it's continuous. So I'll do one more example here, right here. So this is asking me when my x is negative 3. So again, here now I have when I'm less than negative 3, when I'm bigger than negative 3. So I'm going to plug in a negative 3 on both sides. No, this is the other way around, sorry. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 5, which is negative 1. Negative 6 plus 3, which is negative 3. So here, these two numbers are not equal, so this is not continuous. Okay, it's easy as that. So go through them, guys. Again, good luck on the test. I apologize for not being there. Not by choice. And, I mean, just push forward, guys. Try your best. That's all I can ask for. And we'll get through this.